You don't come out and go talk to her. No, brother. Me give her a girl. Me say come out go talk to her. I saw them fool.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. Hey guys, on this journey, we're going to be going for an evening drive out. Now, we're currently in the parish of St. Thomas and we're heading into Kingston. So, there are some sections of the video where the sun is in front of us and shining directly into the camera. Also guys, nightfall did catch us on this journey. I was trying to get into Kingston before it got dark. However, as you know, there are some sections of the road where I have to go really slow as even 10 miles per hour. Now, with all of this being said, I just wanted to set your expectation to let you know what to expect in this video, because it's a really long video, alright? So, let's get into it.
What's up, beautiful people? You know, it's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you heard in the intro. Yeah, and right now, we're there at St. Thomas. Marant Bay to be exact, people. Marant Bay over there is in. And me apologize right now about the sunlight in the lens. You see me? Sorry about that, people. But the sun is about, it's near sunset right now. So, that's why we have the sun right there. So, Zin, we're in the east, we're head west. The sun I head west too. Alright? So I got sun. We can't do nothing about it, people. You see me? Yeah. Pipe bust right there, so. It almost look like steam. But yeah, my people. So we are heading to Kingston right now. We just left Marant Bay roundabout, as I say. We are heading to Kingston, alright? Yeah, right now we're chasing the sunset. And we're gonna head to well, we are going to Harbour View, so we might end the video at the roundabout to Harbour View right after this, of course. Yeah. See? So, I just want to say, yeah, my people, just journey with me as we go in, make our way in, alright? Yeah. I just want to make a shout out to all of my subscribers, all of the new viewers, them over here. Big up on yourself. Welcome to the channel, alright? Feel free to drop your comments and them little thing there, alright? Just share, just talk to me. Be yourself over here, Zane. Yeah, just be yourself over here. Just be respectful though. That's just it. Be yourself and be respectful, alright? Yeah, man. And done with the thing of people. Over here, sir, just be a positive vibes. Be a good vibes over here, sir, people. Be a good vibes. You get me? Yeah. Shout out to my people, wherever in the world there, I watch. Alright? Yeah. Whether Africa, America, US, Canada, well, US is America. But you see me, South America, yeah. All if you're around China, you see me? People from Cyprus, big up on yourself, yeah. Run one part around there. So St. Martin people, big up on yourself. People them from Cayman. Caymanian people them who live at Cayman. Jamaicans over Cayman. Big up. Yeah man, big up the people them from here to the over Cayman, you know. People them are St. Martin, big up on yourself too, you understand? Yeah. Yeah my people, so the sunlight a beaming at the camera right now, but you see me? Sorry for that, hope you not affect the video too much. But we can't help it. You see me? Kingston where I go. And the sun I go there too. And it's ahead of us, so you see me? Yeah. No I say thing but still. They are St. Thomas with a bad road there. Yeah, on the bad road there. Take your time and make a way and go out the people. See me? Little bit ahead of way, you know Roselle out there so. Yeah. We might pull up out there. Don't know yet. So I go on people, only this so far. How the year I go phone so far? How the weather? If I ask you about the weather, I know. How the weather? Eh? As you can see right now in Jamaica, I drive and the windows roll down. So you know, said nothing name cold. A warm temperature there right now. Yeah. You see me? That a go on here so. Warm temperature. You understand? Yes, sir. Alright, people are here is a dust bowl. Look down there, look dusty. Some water run people, man. I wonder if it's a river. It run heavy. Sorry about the sunlight again, my people. I do apologize. Come out of them rough stone there and try the little part, yeah. Dust bowl these people. Alright, a smooth road there. Want 2 mango for buy out your people, but I'm afraid. Last time about them sell me some great mango. And give me a time to put them down them ripe. Mango them sour like what? When the mango them do ripe, them sour. And one a sour fresh. So you know say a young mango them pick. Yeah, young mango them pick people. Young mango. Young mango them pick the man. And sell. Sell man. People can see the ocean. Boy, the ocean look nice, you know, but I feel like the sun affect it. Like the sun, I couldn't really get to see it properly. It just bright over it. But it look nice though, but I tell you the water rough though, people. Yeah, it's rough. People, so out there name Roselle, you see me? Out there you have the waterfalls and them little thing there, yeah? Water crash pan the stone them or something pan the rock. Man, if you can't hear the ocean, why not win that something? When I hear the ocean, people, yeah, because they're right there, you see the water crash on the side of the rock, dude. Yeah. Watch it, water splash up yourself. People, water that catch up on the glass, you know, splashings. Yep. Waterfalls of people. Jelly out there, so people now see the coastline. I guess I'm gonna go dump up here some more and press it. I see them have dirt, stone and something heap up here, so. I'm gonna dump it up and then press it, you know. Yeah. And that truck you gotta push off a whole heap of dust. Well, people, as me say last time, I get some green mango for buy, but I try to fight again. Try to fight again. General, right mango. How much it? Alright, want some ripe one, please.
That's another one. That's the red one that I look for.
Yeah, let me see what I go and feed them. Alright. Sure you don't want to switch over them for me? Alright.
All on this start.
You want to right now? Respect here? Yeah, man, bless up, yeah.
The one and Blackie.
Blackie?
Yeah.
Probably when me a pass back still.
Alright.
Bless up my family. Yeah, man, respect, yeah. Alright, people. So, me a try with the mango them again, people. Me a try with them again. Me a try with them again. Just get some mango. Ah, me shall show one of them, you know. Yo, Jano. Me a show them when reach a Yalas. Cause I might stop a Yalas and get something to eat. So, me a show one of them when reach a Yalas. See? Yeah, so go and watch if you don't want to see the mango. I reach a Yalas, me show one of them. You see me? So I try them again. Right there, so I stopped the last time, you know, but some green one them did sell me. So I give me a ripe one, you know, $1,000 a plate. You see that? And I want 5 mango. A 5 mango I get that, so. And you say I buy some little marble. Some marble I buy no man at them $350 for one, you know. Yo, I can get Blackie mango bigger than them marble where them sell me. Where the woman wants to me say, and teach she say, give me 3 bills a one. So I buy them for 6 bills. 2 marble I buy from her. I tell the people, if I say the mango them small. See me? So, but you have a lot of places, how we call it? $3 grand a plate. I can see me sell it. Yeah, they all them size mango them sell them for all 3-4 bills a one. Think them easy? So them sell them. Tell the people. man. I take your time make away, you know. And what the other yellows can eat, you know, because you know. Honestly, and some cooked food I feel for, you know. Yeah. I feel for that. I don't really want a chicken in it, people. I'm telling you the truth, you know. I really want a chicken. Go and chicken them out here. Everybody are complaining about them. They might import the chicken them people, and I like when they are foreign you have a choice, you can pick the type of chicken where you want. They might import the big old something of them big like turkey. You know them they're full of steroids and other hormones with them injecting at them, right? Yeah, them might import. I mean say yo, I can't manage it people. No. Can't manage it and then it fresh and one little thing to it, people. Everybody are complaining about it. Just ask somebody about the chicken at Jamaica. Yo, I go to shop go buy chicken. And when the man take up the chicken for weight and give them, people them walk well if it say, yo, them no want them chicken there. Because remember Jamaica, we not used to them type of something they out here, you know. Or for them no pump up with no steroids and no hormones and no antibiotic and them thing there. No pump them up. So our chicken them, you know, them look a little bit smaller. So the leg look, you know, a little smaller, the wing look smaller, the breast look, you see me? People are saying some big old piece of meat. I tell them, man, it's scary, people. Honestly, it is. Big woman thing. So I not even feel for no chicken. Because not like when you're there in a, you know, America you can pick the type of food. Like, you know, some of them it tell us straight up one word. Depending, some of them it tell us it's organic, which I don't even know if it's really organic. But it not taste like how them want to taste. Them chicken that taste fake. Like paper. And you actually
It's been almost 2 hours since you started driving. Why don't you have a break?
Alright, we'll soon have a break. Yeah, so them what you call it? The chicken tastes like paper and it now hold no seasoning in it. See mas them there. Yeah, now hold the seasoning people. Now hold the seasoning. You see me? Side. Just bowl again. Them chuck on them van they push off whole heap of dust, you know, peeps. Yeah, whole heap of dust them push off. While me talk to you right now, I render one video when I edit. If you don't know render mean, I like the same thing like saving it. You understand? Yeah. So I render it from my phone. So I reach in, I can just upload it. Which video this again? I think I want Portland video. Yeah, edit. Yeah. I did edit. I edit it. I think I edited it this morning. Yeah, I edited it this morning before I left out. Before I come out on the road this morning, I edit it. So yeah. So right, it's the name Roach Gully. You understand? Yeah, so basically I go around now. When you down on the flat to my left, you can look up and see. So all who down they can see that truck here come down. You see me? Yeah man. Roach Gully, you know? I don't know why them call it Roach Gully. Somebody will know, I forgot educate me in the comment section. And make me know why. Backside. Serious, when every duty vehicle I do road in a man. Yeah. So yeah man, if you look way up there to the left where them stone there, the stone wall, up there where I come from people. Up there where I come from. And big up to that truck driver there too. People up on the sea out there so. But yeah, big up to the truck driver. Most time when them a drive, them know the pre, you know, so them normally just, you know, slide little bit to the left and make you can go around. So big up that truck driver a while ago. Although them two man they never wait till him slide to the left, them just a do road. You see me? Yeah. The sunlight. Sun is about to set, people. Alright people, I wind up by the glass to give it again because again we are going to put another dust bowl. Yeah. Although that one don't look so bad stills. I sell some stringy. Should I really buy two from him, you know? Cause the stringy them nice to make juice in the people. Yeah man. Nice to make juice, man. Earlier the youth when I stop and buy the mango them from a young youth, you know. Yeah, like you don't know him in his 20s. Glad to see the Gia sell some mango, you know. I sell honey and whatever else they did there. Neeseberry and them thing there. Yeah. Wind up by the window again, my people. Yeah, I'm glad to see the Gia sell them little thing there, you know. Yeah, him there all a vibe, man. Him there a virgin and an next Rasta youth. And them a do them thing. I respect that. You see me? Yeah. So I like to see the youths them a do them thing. People, big woman thing. a dust bowl. Watch dust. named Gio. Yeah, man, I him, man. You there? I youth. I never know if him still do YouTube, but him and him girl G and Ken. Yeah. Alright people, so right just a yellow span from left hand side. Yeah, I think it is. Go slow go on a person now. Oh. Taxi man, you a fool, man. Overtake me for come yourself. We don't come out and go talk to her. No, brother. Me a give her a girl. Me a say come out go talk to her. I saw them fool. Shut traffic here, man. Well, it's not that bad. I think it go way out there somewhere. Taxi man, I drive like a road swine. people. This is the road where you have to endure when you come to St. Thomas. Or drive through the parish, yeah? People were chasing the sunset. The sun they run on one part right now. That's why the place all looks so dark. Right, they run on one part. And I don't even think me I stop at yellow see no people. I don't want to jerk chicken from them and yeah. I don't want to jerk chicken from them. I hide from the chicken to tell you the truth. Honestly, I'm hiding from the chicken. So this is the town of Yellas, my people. I go through, you know? Yeah. Hopefully the traffic flow a bit freer after we pass through. This time I can stop and show them mango them. But at that no, I'm not even a stop people. Yeah, people, we're not about to stop. Just go in. Reach out to Harbour View or something, probably might get something. what people are doing. If I can make it a harbour view before nightfall, you know. But, and then we are going to have more hills for go up, you know. So it's going to look even darker there, so. You see me? But let's see. Let's see. Alright, so the sign I tell you say we're there Albion now. Yeah. But I say we still have a good little drive, people. And when we reach out to Bull Bay, we can still have a little stretch though, same way. So, you see me? No must. Night I can probably catch you, people. Yeah, night I can probably catch you, people. See me? But the sun gone over the horizon. Basically it's set. Yeah, so it's basically a race against the darkness. See if how far we can get before it get dark. Good thing about it is we actually chase the daylight, because daylight is headed that way. Behind a way I get darker quicker, because the sun move away from, you know, the east. So yeah. And if a man they can't see where my drive go. What if him can't see? People, you see this? St. Thomas this. You see this? I no fag. I no money get away a fag. Dust this. St. Thomas. Yeah. Dust these people. Dust. Wind up window again, people, and turn on the AC car. A little party around here, so I'll be a dust too. People are dust this. And a fag where they are manig. Those who they are St. Thomas. Yeah. I see some taxi man, them not even would have wind up them window and turn on them air condition. Them have the people them in there inhale and suffocate. Yo, taxi man them. Yeah man, them not wind up no window man. You have to cover your nose. Me a drive through around here so in a taxi. I mostly chop them, you know. Make them make so much dust, you see it? Kick off. Can I look at here something there with them have underneath them. Plus the thing they were spin under it to the diff. The drive shaft something, I mean. That spin off and I guess that blow the dust underneath it too. wind the wind a little bit, people. That's not so bad. Me I see some smoke up in the hills. All fire me I see up there. I wonder if a bushfire. Alright, somebody gonna build something and light up there. I try to figure out how to go on. Alright, them are gonna do mining up there and then light up there so they can clear land for go dynamite or work. Boy, I don't know. But the hill up on fire, people. Yeah. Be a smoke me I see. Yeah, chop man, use up your hand. People, the hill is on fire. And this taxi man I run risk to the people in life around corner. See it? I have to tuck in. Aye. Around another corner again. Rate them chop money and still me nah lie. Hold it with the load, you know? Yeah man. People see the hilltop, I don't know how much the camera I pick it up, but the hill is on fire. Like, me know say it was super hot today still. I don't know if a bushfire or what. A big unit. Backside people. Chopping up a tool a while ago. Another go slow again, people. So night I could definitely catch you, but still I gotta go and make the video run. You see me? Yeah. When I reach out to Harbour View, that's where we'll end it, because I make a stop out to Harbour View. So I end it at like the Harbour View runabout there about. Whole heap of traffic, yes, sir. Right, so we're crossing over in the parish of St. Andrew right now. Yeah. And yeah, we're there in the community of Bullby, or the vicinity of Bullby right now, isn't it? Yeah. Over there, so look orange. Yeah, you know when the sunset to give you an orange look. a kind of little dust, you know, people. Yeah, man, out there's a kind of little bit of dust, you know. What? Watch her go slow here, people. Where them a go? Where them a go? Why am I drive so far? Ah, man, tell her. I don't know what caused that traffic here out there, so people. But the taxi them drive gone around this at two left. I think around them a drive name Wiki Waki. Around the taxi them drive gone. So that truck there go down. Don't go down there one big truck. So them not see, well, them people not see the big truck a come. One if they not see the big truck a come. Our space that they can hold the big truck. No, see that? Judge, you know. People them block up the road. Them block up the road now, sir. Now them have to go tuck in. Put on film indicator. So them never see the truck them or something. See like blue light did a flash, but yeah, it look like police. Where them are they? Come, them a come. Or them a go, or them stand still. Like them a come through. I don't know what cause the traffic of people. I don't know. For those regular traffic, this normally for the evening. I pull over the axiom. Pull over the gear. Why the police love these people so? Why the police love these people so, you know what? Man, him jump out 6 pants in hand. I think I said the taxi them would have come out, you know. I'm not sure. I think I ought to say the left side when I just passed. people, I don't know what cause of traffic jam. Telling you the truth, I don't know. But it's regular traffic this. But you see me, I tell you like Bull Bay stretch. Yeah, I know. Alright, people, so we soon reach Harbour View, you know, people. Soon. Alright, people. Give thanks for keeping me company on that journey, and you see it. Yeah, man. Basically, I come to an end right now because Harbour View roundabout not they too far from here, so. You see me? Yeah, not they too far. So I'm grateful for the journey with me, you get me? Yeah man, remember to like, share, and if you're not yet subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button there, understand? Yeah my people. So big up on yourself, you know, you don't know, night catchery, yeah, night catchery, but I saw. You see me? Yeah man, bless up on yourself man, you don't know a thing, got 876 by birth, you know. Yeah man, and I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.
Why would they let off somebody in a roundabout though, God? Judge, I know.